seems like you took the fast lane. Yesterday, we were swimming everywhere ourselves, and today, we get to take a bus.
It's already 5 minutes late.
Excuse me? How come you can all speak?
Oh, you speak yourself. You should know.
Well,
It's like this. We owe our present capabilities to Joe and his magic potion.
Joe?
Potion?
You should hear Joe talk. He's so inspiring. Oh, I hope there's room for us at the meeting.
What does this potion look like? Is it in a square bottle?
Oh, looky there. Here she comes.
And about time, too.
Hey, mister, where's your manners? Ladies first, ladies first.
Thank you, dear.
That will be 2 clams and 5 stones, madam.
Here, keep the change.
Just a second. These are not valid.
Not valid.
You'll have to get off.
What? Give me your glasses. Here then, have these transatlantic, trans-Pacific, worldwide, oceanic approved deluxe coins.
Very well, then. Here are the tickets.
Hold on. These two are less than 6 years of age. They ride for free.
Oh, yes. Of course. Here's a refund.
And this poor fellow is half blind.
Well-
It's not fair that he should pay full price.
I suppose.
And while we're at it, could we sell back the tickets we don't need?
Next time, have exact change.
And what would have happened if it didn't work, genius?
That's the symbol on the professor's body.
All full. Next meeting at sundown.
We've got to get in there. Quick, follow me. Hurry, hop in.